Good afternoon, ma'am. 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 Good ma'am. Afternoon.
Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Good morning, Avya. Good afternoon, Avyam. Good
afternoon, ma'am.
Patrick. Good afternoon, Varnika. Sukhru, Grace, Vivan, and Harshita, Advika, Shifa.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. And Shara. And I don't know, maybe this. Hi, Advait. Hi.
एक मैम के स्कूल में तो नहीं है.
Dance, dance, dance. Hi, hi, hi. Dance, dance, dance. Hi, hi, hi. Okay. Oh my God. Who is this baby? Harshita Chaudhary. Oh, hi, Harshita. You dance very nice. Hi, Myra. Hi, Yuvi. Hi, Adira. Oh, you are showing me something, Adira. Good afternoon. Hi.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Oh, hi,
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Oh, hi, Vivan.
देखिए मेरा
Vivan, you are looking me like this.
डोर पत्ती.
Hi, Vimika.
Your voice पे.
Okay.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Tell me, do you know?
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully. The Bluetooth device is ready
It's a
to
special
pair.
day. Today, there is a special guest coming. Do you know who is coming? There is a special guest coming today.
मैम कह रही है एक स्पेशल गेस्ट आएंगे आज.
The Bluetooth
Who knows which special guests are coming? Oh my God, Avyam knows. Okay. Tell me one thing. Who all have seen the movie Oh My Friend Ganesha? Okay. It's a very sweet movie. I'll tell you. There was a very cute boy. Just as you all are very cute. There was one cute boy. And you know what? He became friends with Ganesha. Can you believe it? He became friends with Ganesha. And you know, he sung a very sweet song for him. Shall I tell you? The song was Oh my friend Ganesha, tu rehna sang hamesha. And you know what? Ganesha became his friend and he helped him always, because that boy always listened to his mama papa. He always listened to his ma'am in school, right? You all will become very good boy just like him. You all will become very good boy and good girls. You all already are, isn't it? Okay. Wow. Okay. Now who will tell me who all have done brush all by themselves in the morning today? Raise your hand. Just tell me. Oh, Varnika has. Very nice, Varnika. So smart of you. And and Rishan, you also have done morning brush by yourself? My
Yes, I
God. Shiva, you also have done it. You are so smart. Wow. Adira also has done it. Myra also. Wow, Vivan, you also. Great.
I also.
Divija also has done it. Great, Divija. And Inshara, did you do it? And what about Sukhrup? Why is Sukhrup not raising his hand? Did you do brush by yourself today or mama helped you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, good boy. And what about Advik? Mama helped you, Advik? Or did you do it all by yourself?
Ma'am, ये देखिए.
Oh, very good, Advik. Brilliant. I know you all kids are amazing. Now let me see. All, yes? I cannot hear you. Tell me again. Okay, I think your voice is not coming clearly, baby. No worries. You can say again. Alright. Can you all tell me one thing? Can you all count your teeth and let me know who all have how many teeth? Let me also count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count.
ये कितने teeth हैं?
Count up teeth. Count them all. Ishan, count. Count. Harshita, Yuvraj, Myra. Count.
को बोल रहे हैं.
Count. 32. Okay. 49. 29. Okay. But Varnika, what about the design of your teeth? What happened?
20.
Where are your teeth?
20.
Who has taken your teeth? Tooth fairy. Mouse have taken. I thought tooth fairy.
Very my country.
You know what happens when our teeth breaks? The tooth fairy comes and she takes your teeth. And then she'll give you a bright new teeth. Yes. Okay.
Both come.
Oh, they both come. Okay. Now just tell me one more thing. So in the morning, yes, Yuvraj.
Mama wants something.
Oh, okay. Show me.
But mom, it is one you can.
Okay. We will do. I'll see all the activities in the end. Wait, Yuvraj. Otherwise, we will get disturbed. Oh, okay. You want to show me your. Okay, Chota Bheem. Oh. Okay, very nice, Chota Bheem. Very good, Yuvraj. Okay. Now, who all will tell me that how did you do brush in the morning? Did you clean your front teeth, your back teeth, inside teeth? How did you clean it? Yes, how did you clean? Just the front teeth, or did you clean the back teeth also? Because
Front
you have
teeth and
to
back
clean the
teeth
teeth
also.
very nicely. Yes. And who will tell me how many times should we do brush? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times? How many times should we do brush in a day?
2 times.
Good. At least 2 times. So in the night, when we eat dinner, after the dinner, we should clean our teeth because all the food things will stuck in our teeth. We have to clean them. Okay. All right. Now, who all will tell how many glasses did you all drink today? How many glasses are 3 glasses. Oh, 2 glasses, Varnika. And what about Myra? Myra, how many glasses did you drink, baby?
10.
Oh, Yuvraj has drank 10. And what about Adira? Adira, how many glasses did you drink? And what about Manasvi?
1.
And Hi, Naman, will you tell me how many glasses of water did you drink today?
1.
Only one. Oh,
2.
4. See, I am also drinking water.
Ma'am, me and drink water.
Yes, please. Please, all of you drink water.
मुझे लगता है
I have drank some water. Now, Deshna, Shiva, how many glasses did you drink, Shiva? Sukrup, how many glasses you drink in water? Okay, yes. Divija, 10 glasses. My God. Wow. Good job. Okay, now last question. Who will tell me who all have hugged their mama in the morning and said, I love you, mama. I love you so much. Just like mama always loves you. I love you, baby, a lot. You are my baby. You are my princess. You are my baby. Mama says like this, right? You all have
कुछ आएगा या नहीं है
छोटे छोटे बच्चे सब रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं सब मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है
Tell me. Show me. Raise your hand. Who all have hugged their mama in the morning and said, Mama, I love you. Oh, Advik, you did it. Such a sweet boy. And oh my God, Vivan, Varnika, Rishan, Divija also has done. Good job, Harshita. And Noman, did you do this? Oh, I can see you, sweet boy. I can see you. Very good, Noman. And what about Shiva? Did you love your mama in the morning? What about Yuvraj? Oh, Yuvraj has done it. What about Sukru? Sukru, did you love your mama in the morning? You can love her now also if you want. Oh, very good. Ali, so cute, Sukru. Very good, Abhyam, very good. And what about Manasvi? Manasvi also has done it. Great. You all kids are amazing. I know it. Superb. Okay. Now today we are going to do the story session in a little bit different way. Shall I tell you? We will just revise the story which we have done last time. Okay? Are you all ready? Show me thumbs up. Okay, good job. Alright. So today we will just revise the story which we have listened last time. So today's story, before I tell you the story, let me tell you my name. My name is Sakshi and I am a personality development trainer. I like to do lots and lots of fun activities with kids. And I can play with you all the day long. I can play all day long, It's my favorite thing, just like you all do. So much fun, I also do. Let us listen a fun story. Okay. Do you know who are they? Can someone tell me the name? Okay, tell me. Oh, very nice, Varnika. Good job. The dog is Dev, and cat her name is Kavi. And you know what? They also are very nice kids, just like you all. But sometimes they also do small mistakes. But then they learn from their mistakes and they improve, right? Let us revise what they have learned. In the last story, Kavi was playing in her house. La 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 la. I am playing. It's so nice. Wow. She found something. What is this? Wow, what is this? They are beautiful crayons. Wow, I like crayons. They are so beautiful and colorful. My new crayons. I am going to do coloring with these beautiful crayons. Suddenly, her friend Dev came in. Hi Kavi, how are you? Kavi said, Hi Dev, I am very happy. Do you know why? But before she could say, Dev says, Wow, great Kavi. Please tell me, why are you so happy? Kavi said, Look at my new crayons. Aren't they beautiful and colorful? See, I'm gonna fill beautiful colors in my unicorn drawing, and it's going to be very pretty. Dave said, yippee, new colors. We can use them for our drawings. Will you share with me? We'll do nice coloring, Kavi. Kavi said, oh, okay. Well, they are mine. They are my new colors. You know, I will not share. They are my new colors. Only I will use my colors. They are my new colors, right? Then Dave said, huh? Oh, you will not share? Then Kavi said, I will not share my new colors, okay? These are my new colors. Then Dave said, but Kavi, we always share with our friends. You know this, we always share our food, our colors, our toys with our friends, because sharing is caring, you know. If we share colors, then only we will also get some new things. And I always share with you. But then Kavi said, no. Dave said, please share with me, Kavi. But Kavi said, no, I will not share. She became a little bad, you know, she did a bad thing. Then Dave said, okay, Kavi, if you're not sharing your colors with me, okay, then I'm going. I'm not going to play with you. Then Dave went away. Oh, Kavi said, why? Oh, but then Dave have come too far. He was a bit sad, you know. But then there came Uni Didi, colorful, bright Uni Didi. She's a unicorn, right? And her name is Uni Didi, right? So Uni Didi said, hi Dave, how are you? What happened? Then Dave said, I'm sad, Uni Didi. Kavi said no for sharing. Kavi is not sharing, you know. But I always share my colors with her. I always share. I know, because sharing is caring. Oh, then what is the problem, Dave? Did you think about it? Did you have given a thought about it? Why Kavi is not sharing? Did you think about it? Maybe Kavi doesn't know. Maybe she doesn't know that we should share our things like toys and colors and food with our friends, because sharing is caring. Maybe she doesn't know. That is why she is not sharing. Oh, well done, Dave. You have found out a problem. And if we have a problem, then we always look for, what should we do? We always look for, say loudly everyone. We always look for solution. That is how it is. We always look for solution. Great. So Unity said, look for solution, Dave. Now, what will be the solution in this situation? Can you tell me, Dave? Then Dave again started to think. He said, okay, let us make Kavi know about it. Unity told Dave, let us talk to Kavi and let us tell Kavi that we should share our things. If she doesn't know, let us talk to her, because she is our friend and we always tell our friends, right? So after that, Dave also got the solution. Dave became happy and he said, oh yes, let us tell her about sharing. And he said, let us go. Then both Dave and Unity went to Kavi. There Kavi was standing sad because Dave was not playing with her. So Unity said, hi Kavi, why are you sad? Then Kavi said, Unity, Dave is not playing with me. He's my best friend and I want to play with him, but he's not playing with me anymore. I really miss him. What should I do? Then Unity said, did you think about it, Kavi? Why Dave is not playing with you? Did you think? Because you have not shared your crayons with him. You know, he is your friend and you should have shared your crayons with him. And you have not shared. That is why Dave felt sad and he went away. Now do you understand it? Now Kavi said, yes, Unity, now I understand. Thank you for giving me the solution. Now Kavi also got the solution. And she said, we should always share our things with our friends. I understand now. Thank you so much, Unity. And I'm really sorry, Dev. I will not be bad again. Dev, I will share with you. Let me share my crayons. After that, Dev, Kavi and Unity, everyone got solution. And they all became really happy. Right? They did really nice coloring too. The end. Who all like the story? Tell me. Show me your hands. Who all like the story? Yes, I like the story too. But now let me ask an interesting question to you all. Okay. Alright, let me ask. Suppose you have a cake. Now, some of your friends have come to your house. Hi Advik, hi Varnika, hi Vivan, hi Sukhru, Harshita, Rishan, Manasvi. Will you share your cake with me? Suppose two of your friends have come to your house. Will you all share your cake with your friends? Who all will share? Show me your hands. Raise your hands. Wow, Advik, will you also share? Wow, good, well done. So that means next time I will come to your birthday. And then will you share your cake with me too? Wow, I will also get cake. My God, yummy yummy cake. I love cakes. Cakes are super tasty. I love them. Yes? So nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. Well done. So Divija also shared with me, right? Oh yes. And Inchara and so many kids. Wow. Noman also will share. Myra also will share. Good job. Amazing. Now, are you all ready for the second story, for today's story? Are you all ready? Who wants to listen? Show me your thumbs up. Oh, hi. Okay, good Adira. Let me share my screen again. Okay. Can you all see my screen? Okay. So, today's story is Kavi learns responsibility. Oh, responsibility. We all know something about responsibility, right? You all are responsible. So let me just again make you understand how can you be more responsible. Suppose in school, suppose your ma'am has given you any drawing homework and your mama says, okay Varnika, will you finish it yourself? Okay Sukhru, will you finish the drawing homework by yourself? Or maybe mama says to Avyam, please complete your homework. So will you do it yourself? That is called responsibility. Or you can, when mama says some work to you, please bring some water for me, or please do some little work for me. You can take responsibility. Yes, I can help mama. I'm a big girl, I'm a big boy. I can do that. You can help. That is responsibility, right? Wow. But then let us learn a small responsibility. Let us start from small things, right? Let us see what Kavi has learned about responsibility. Okay. So, one day, Kavi was playing in her house with her new toys. Wow, I got new toys. Meow, meow, my new toys. I got a horse. I got blocks. I got books, colorful books. I've got a geometry box. I've got so many colorful toys. La 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 la, la 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 la. She was just playing. Then came his friend, Dev. He said, hi Kavi, how are you? Then Kavi said, hi Dev, I'm fine. Can you see my new toys? Aren't they beautiful? Then Dave said, let us play. Let us play together. But then Dave looked at Kavi's room. Dave said, Kavi, your room is so messy. Then Kavi said, oh yes, it's okay. I'll clean it later. It's okay. Let us play first. Let us play first, you know. That is more important. I'll clean it later. But then Dave again said, Kavi, just look at your room. It's such a messy room. You have just scattered all your toys everywhere. You should, you know, put the things back to their place, like toys to the toy box, book in the bookshelf. You should please put them back and make your room neat and tidy. We are responsible kids. You have already learned that you're sharing, right? But then you should also learn to be responsible. Please clean your room. It's such a messy room. Kavi again said, oh Dave, I will clean it later, please, okay? Let's play first. Okay, Dave said, it's okay, fine, let's play. So that day, they played in the room. Then, what happened? After that, they played in that room. They did a lot of masti. And then, the day passed. Night came. And then again, night went. And next morning came. Next day, sun is shining bright. Okay. Then again, Kavi was playing in her room. Then her friend Dave came again. Hi Kavi, let's play. Then, you know what happened? Kavi said, let's play Dave, let's play. But Dave again said, Kavi, you promised me that you will clean your room tomorrow. You said it, you promised me that you will clean your room. What about that? You didn't clean. Then Kavi said, oh come on Dave, I'll clean it later. I'll clean it later. Let's play. Playing is more important. I will clean it later, okay? I'll clean it later. Then Dave said, Kavi, you promised that you will clean your room. We are responsible kids. We don't, we always make our room neat and tidy. Oh, then again Kavi said, oh, I'll just do it later. I'll do it later. Please, Dave, let us play. Then Dave said, okay Kavi, just find the ball. So Kavi started to look for the ball. But you know what? Her room was so messy, she couldn't find the ball. Can you all see? Her room is so messy, she couldn't find the ball at all. So Dave said, oh, let's just go to park, Kavi, because we are not even able to find the ball also. Your room is so messy, we can't play in the room. And now you are not able to find your ball also. Let's just go to park and let's play in the park. Oh, then Kavi felt a bit sad because she was not able to find the ball now. Then they both decided to go in the park. When they reached the park, they were feeling a bit sad because they didn't have anything to play with. Then there came Uni Didi. Uni Didi said, hi Dave, how are you? Then Dave said, hi Uni Didi, how are you? We are a bit sad, because Kavi's room is really messy and we are not able to find the ball also to play with. Oh, then Kavi said, because my room is so messy, Uni Didi, we are not able to find the ball. Oh, now Uni Didi said, wow, what is the problem now? You have identified that your room is dirty. It's messy. So, now can you identify what is the problem that you can clean the room, right? What is the thing you can do? Think about it. Then Dave said, yes, we have to think that we have to, look forward how we can clean the room. Then Uni Didi said, when we have a problem, then we always look for solution. Very, very good. Whenever we have a problem, we always look for solution. Now you know that your room is messy and you want to play with the ball, but you are not able to find the solution in this situation is go clean your room and then find your ball. Oh, after that, Dev and Kavi got the solution. They became really happy. Thank you, Unity. We will definitely go and clean the room. And then Unity said to Dev, you should also help Kavi to clean the room. Dev said, okay, Unity, I will help Kavi because Kavi is my friend and we always help our friends. So Kavi, Dev and Unity started to clean the room. And quickly, they have cleaned the room. Can you all see? Her room has become so neat and tidy. And can you all see? She found the ball. Wow, finally, Kavi found the ball and they got the solution, you know. It's okay, we all make mistakes. Even sometimes grown-ups do mistakes, but then it's alright. The main thing is we should always look for solution and we should take responsibility for our mistakes. It's okay if we have done mistakes, but then we will take the responsibility to fix the mistake, right? Here Kavi did a mistake, but then Dev, Kavi and Unity together found a solution and they have taken the responsibility and they found a solution. Yay! Good, very nice. The end. Wow. Who all like the story? Yay! Alright. Okay. Now tell me one important question I want to ask. Suppose you are playing in your room and you know what will happen if your room becomes dirty. What will you do? Will you clean your room or will you leave your room messy? Oh, mama will clean or papa will clean. Why should I clean? What will you do, Rishan? What will you do, Divija? Will you clean your room? Very good. Advik, will you clean your room? Will you help mama to put your toys back? Oh, okay. Krish, will you do? Avyam and Krish? Yeah, well done, Krish. Well done. We always take responsibility and we will help mama. If mama is cleaning your room, help mama. Mama, I will also help you to clean the room. I'll put my toys back to the toy box. I'll put my books to their place, right? Because you all kids are amazing, right? Okay. Now, just tell me one thing. You all have sent me some really nice activities. Okay? Shall I show you your nice activities? Who all wants to see? Show me thumbs up. Okay, let me share. Okay, let me show you. Yes, we will clean our room. Okay. First is Arna. Arna has done so many activities, lemonade making, and she has made a beautiful artwork for Independence Day, and she has made freehand drawing. Amazing, Arna, and you're looking so pretty. You're so cute, so pretty. Very nice, baby. Well done, Arna. Lovely. Well job, Arna. Well done. After Arna, we have got Divija. My goodness, can you see how beautiful she is looking? She has become Rani Lakshmi Bai and I have seen her video. It is amazing, Divija. Good job. Keep on doing good work. Well done. Well done, Divija. Good work, Divija. After Divija, we have got Sukhrup, a very smart, cute little boy. Can you all see how lovely artwork Sukhrup has made? Lovely, beautiful independence drawing and artwork. And can you all see? He has made lentil design. Amazing, Sukhrup. Well done, baby. Well done. Good job, Sukhrup. Very well done. After Sukhrup, we have got Sayansh. Sayansh has made a beautiful Rakhi. It's a lovely Rakhi. Very well done, Sayansh. You are a very, very good boy. Lovely. Well done, Sayansh. Well done. After Sayansh, we have got Sharika. Sharika has actually made a very beautiful flag and pencil craft artwork. Amazing, Sharika. Good job. Well done, Sharika. Well done. After Sharika, we have got Yasmitha. Very good. She has made a national color flag for Independence Day on 15th August. Well done. It's very beautiful, Yasmitha. Well done. Good job, baby. After her, we have got Yuvraj. Oh, Yuvraj has actually made beautiful artwork on Independence Day. My goodness, it's amazing. He has done a very beautiful painting with his papa. Amazing, Yuvraj. Good job. Good job, Yuvraj. Well done. After Yuvraj, we've got Sveda. Sveda has actually she has learned rainbow colors with an experiment, small experiment. Amazing, Sveda. Lovely. Beautiful. Lovely, lovely. After her, we have got amazing Varnika. Varnika has dressed as beautiful Radhaji and she has made a Makhan Bal Gopal. Oh, so cute, Varnika. Brilliant. You are amazing girl. Well done, Varnika. Well done. Good job. Good job, Varnika. After Varnika, we have got Anaya. She has also made a beautiful artwork on Independence Day. You all kids have done great activities. Amazing, Anaya. It's very beautiful artwork. Brilliant. Very, very good. After Anaya, we have got Ayan. Oh, Ayan also has actually made Ayan has actually made a very beautiful artwork. Wow, for Independence Day. Good job. Okay. After Ayan, we have got Sivania. Wow, Sivania, you have become beautiful Radhaji. Good job. Well done, Sivania. Well done. Good job. Good job. Very beautiful. After her, we have got Shivesh. Can you all see how beautiful artwork Shivesh has made? Such a beautiful oil pastel activity and beautiful peacock. My goodness, Shivesh, your drawing is amazing. Beautiful. Well done. It's very neat and beautiful. Very nice. After Shivesh, we have got Kavya. Kavya has made a beautiful artwork for Independence Day. Right? A beautiful flag and a beautiful... she has spoke some beautiful lines for Ganesh Chaturthi. Well done, Kavya. Well done. Well done. Good job. After Kavya, we have got Manasvi. Manasvi also has made a flute and she has made a kite, a tricolor flag. Manasvi has actually done so many activities. She has made a flute, she has made a kite, she has made a beautiful tearing pasting activity, made a flower with using pulses and beautiful artwork for Independence Day. Great job, Manasvi. Well done. Well done. Good job. After Manasvi, we have got Divyanshi. She has also become beautiful Radhaji and she has made a beautiful artwork on Independence Day. Well done. After Divyanshi, we have got Avyam. Avyam has actually done great work. Avyam has actually made Ganesha and she has made a card for his father, Papa, right? And she has made Krishna drawing for Janmashtami, butterfly with watercolors. Avyam, great. Avyam, brilliant job. Good job, Avyam. Amazing. Amazing work. Good job. Okay. Amazing, Avyam. Brilliant. I love it. Your drawings are amazing. After Avyam, we have got Prisha. Prisha also has made a national flag with a Q-tip painting. Good job, Prisha. It's so beautiful. Well done, Prisha. Well done. After Prisha, we have got Karmanya. She has done a beautiful dance on Independence Day. Beautiful dance, Karmanya. Well done. Well done. After Karmanya, we have got Yukta. Yukta also have actually done a very beautiful, she has spoke some beautiful lines in other language, in a very beautiful language for Independence Day. Beautiful, very nice. Yukta, you're very confident. Good job, Yukta. You good job. Very good. After Yukta, we have got Daksh. Daksh also have actually said a poem on Independence Day. Good job, Daksh. Well done. Very confident, Daksh. Good job. Keep on doing this. Well done. After Daksh, we have got Lakshika. Lakshika has done a beautiful dance on Janmashtami and she has made a beautiful artwork for Independence Day. Good job, Lakshika. Well done, Lakshika. Good job. Well done. Well done. After Lakshika, we have got a very smart boy, Vivan. My God, Vivan. Please look at Vivan's drawing. He has actually made male-female snails. And can you all see he has made a beautiful artwork from pulses. Vivan, great job, baby. Well done. Vivan, good job. After Vivan, we are done. Okay. Now, just tell me one thing. See, you all kids have done great work. Great, okay. But then I want to see, I want to see Advik's more activities. Rishan, you can also, I know that you do a great activity at home with your mama. I know. I just want to see that. Yes, will you share? I know. And Manasvi will also share. Okay. Now let's just play a small game. Shall we? Okay. Can you all... Wow, very good, Rishan. Such a beautiful national flag you have made. Good job. Well done, Rishan. Good job. Okay. Now, who all tell me who are these? Can you tell me?
Even Kavi. Even Kavi.
He is Kavi.
Yes.
He is Dev. He is Kavi.
Dev.
Oh yes, he is Dev and he is Kavi. I'm joking. Okay, who all wants to play a game can stand up. Okay. Now when Dev says dance, you all have to dance and then Kavi will say stop. Are you all ready? Advik, come on. Come on. Okay. Dance. Dance. Come on. Dance. Stop. Okay. Now twist. Come on. Twist. Stop. Okay. Now who will jump? Jump. Sukruk, jump. Stop. Okay. Now stand up. Sit down. 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 Stop. Okay, now again. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, 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 dance. Stop. Yay! Did you like the game?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now, next week we will listen to a new story, okay? And I will see new more activities from you all. And I will show you my activity, okay? Give me high five. Okay. Now, let's meet again. Bye bye.